Sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. How are you guys?
Hi.
What's up? Check my... How are you today?
I'm fine.
Oscar, your microphone, I think, has a problem, Oscar. I think so. Dun, 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 dun. Let me check. And to move, pick up. There. Ready, guys?
Yes.
Let's do it.
Ready.
Did you do your homework? Yes.
Yes.
Mariana, Saúl, Oscar, Camila, very good. Okay. Let's see. Yes. What, Oscar?
Funciona, no funciona. Okay, okay.
Hi, Mariana.
Hi.
Hi, Camila.
Hi.
How are you today?
I'm doing you?
I am good. Where is Saúl? Yvette? What is that sound? There's a problem with that. Questions with there. Last B. Okay. So let's see. Exercise 3, right? Write 7 questions using how many and the noun in plural. Then ask your classmates. Okay. I'm going to start with Dulce. Dulce, give me your first question, please.
Yvette, how many computers are there in your house?
Very good. How many computers
Are there
are there
in your house?
in your house? Very good. Yvette is in class? No, right?
No.
I'm sorry. Okay.
It's better. Better, Oscar. Thank you. Okay. Change the name for another person, Dulce. Oh, what, Oscar? What?
It's incorrect. The sentence is incorrect.
How many pieces are there?
This is exercise number 3.
This is exercise 3.
Okay, no, not the title is number 2, no?
The homework.
El
Oh, the title.
Sí, yes, exercise number 2.
Yes, but the exercise number 2, I am going to check it. We are going to practice this one only.
Perfect.
Okay, all right. So Dulce, change the name, please, because Yvette is not here.
Mariana?
Mariana. All right, Mariana. How many PCs are there in your house?
Fourth.
Okay, answer with the complete sentence. They're what?
They are 4 computers.
There are 4 computers. Make sure this one it's not they, okay? Because it's very common. It's there are, okay? Okay, Camila, give me a question for somebody in the class.
Dulce, how many rooms are there in your house?
Okay, how many rooms are there in your house? All right, Dulce. How many rooms are there?
There are 4 rooms in my house.
Excellent, very good. Let's go with Saul. Question, please. Exercise 3. Yeah.
Oscar.
Oscar.
How many clothes shops are there in your work?
How many what?
Clothes shops. Clothes shop.
What is that?
Clothes.
Shop in the ropa.
Clothes.
Clothes. Check. Shop.
Clothes. Okay, clothes shops.
Yes.
All right, very good. Clothes is with this. Clothes shops are there in your job, in your work. Oscar. Did you understand?
0.
So the answer is?
They are 0.
There are 0 or there aren't any in this case for negatives. This is a good example, okay? There aren't any.
No sé cómo responderlo, pero la respuesta es porque tienes que ir a dar cuenta como la refaccionaria, ir con el número de parte de la prenda y te lo piden como si fuera una refacción literalmente de la prenda.
Okay. So, but in general, there aren't any, right? In general. Okay, it's a good answer.
Thank you.
All right, let's see. Mariana, question, please.
Camila?
Camila?
How many people are there in your house?
Very good question. How many people are there in your house? How many people are there in your house, Camila?
There are 5 people.
Very good. There are 5 people. Very good, guys. I'm happy you're speaking English. Very good. How many people are there in your house? All right. Oscar, question.
Camila, how many gas stations are there near your house?
How many gas stations? Okay. Good pronunciation, Oscar. Very good. Station. How many gas stations? What?
Are there near your house?
Very good. Camila.
You know. Um,
You can invent if you don't remember.
there are one gas station.
One, there are, what is for there? If it's one, it's singular.
Is.
So it's there is one gas station. Okay. Dulce, one more question, please. Yvette is here? No.
Oscar, how many cars are there in your house?
Excellent question. Very good.
Okay. There are 2 cars
There are 2
in my
cars.
house.
Excellent. All right. Let's go with Camila. Question, please.
Saul, how many pencils are there near you?
How many pencils are there near you? Very good question.
There, there is a one pencil.
There is one pencil
One
near
pencil
me.
near me. Huh?
There is,
There,
yeah, there is one pencil near me. Very good. Okay. Who is next? Mariana, question, please.
Rayner.
Me? All right. Yeah.
How many parks are there near your house?
Cars?
Parks.
What?
parks.
Oh, parks. Parks. There are 2 parks near my house. One in
Aquí y el de
Northwest
allá.
and
Son
this one.
3.
3?
Yes.
The one going to Solidaridad, maybe?
Sebastiana.
Ese lo está contando.
Yeah.
Y el
One
otro de Iglesia.
in the back of Babarrey, right?
Yes.
Oh, 4.
One going to Solidaridad.
Sí, el de la iglesia.
One in, okay.
Él dice el de la iglesia.
It's not near, right? Very
No?
good question, Mariana. Yes, it is near. I'm lazy though. Okay. Oscar, question.
Okay. Saul,
Yes.
how many books are there in your room?
Very good.
There are book. There are 0. No.
There are
0 books in my
Creo
room.
que se apaga un micrófono porque
¿No se me oyó?
no,
es
yes,
que
it's good, but
se mezcla
Mariana
con... Sí, okay.
with Mariana. So there are, look at this. This is a good example. There are 0 books. It's possible to say this. Another option is there aren't any books. That's another option. Or another option will be there are no books. This one is easy, right? There are no books in my room. Or there aren't any books. I mean, it's your decision, right? How you express that. Saul, question, please. It's your turn to question.
1 moment, please. Yeah. Dulce.
Dulce.
How many dogs are there in your house?
Excellent. Very good. So very good. How many dogs are there in your house?
They aren't dogs.
There aren't dogs. Very good. Oh my gosh. My students are speaking English. All right. One more round, okay? One more round. Camila, please.
Oscar, how many notebooks are there near you?
How many notebooks are there near you? Very good.
Notebooks. Eh, eso.
Like this,
Okay.
no, like this one.
Okay. There are 0 books, notebooks.
There are no notebooks.
Yes.
There are no notebooks. Okay. Dulce, question.
Camila, how many cell phones are there in your house?
Excellent question.
Thank you.
8.
How many cell phones are there in your house?
Are there 6 cell phones in the house?
No question. There
There are
how many?
6.
6?
Yes.
6 cell phones in my house. Oh, very good. Very rich. She's rich. Dulce, question. Your microphone, Dulce, your microphone.
Teacher,
Yes.
how many markets are there in your house?
How many what?
Markets.
Oh, markers. Oh my God. Look at this.
How many?
2,
Much.
4, 6. 2, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5,
Grande.
7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14, 15. There are 15 markers in this room only. I don't know if another room. All right, very good question. Oscar, question.
I don't know, is here. Okay. If I don't know, is here. Dulce.
That's not here. Dulce.
Okay. How many things are there on your desk?
Things.
Yes.
How many things are there on your desk? Very good, Oscar. Preposition of place.
That's Dulce.
There are 2
Okay. There are 2
things.
on my desk. Look at that. Can you see it?
Your answer is incorrect.
My answer is incorrect. There are 17 markers. Okay, Mariana, question, please.
Rayner,
Yes.
how many plants are there in your house?
Oh my gosh.
Plan.
There are many plants in the back of my house.
Orange.
Many.
Lemon.
A lot. No, plants in general. My mother's plants.
Okay.
Okay, so Camila, ready? Camila, did you make a question? Yeah, Mariana ready, Dulce ready. Saul, you need to make a question.
Camila, how many video games in your house?
How many video games
Are there in your house? So,
are there in your house?
Oh, are there many?
Positive, Camila?
There are
Yes,
many video games.
there are many video games. Okay. And Oscar, did you do a question number 3? Yes?
Yes.
All right, very good. Congratulations, very good. Very good homework, very good exercise, very good pronunciation. I'm very happy. Excellent. Let's go to the next class. The next class is simple. It's very simple, in my opinion, okay? Look, we are going to have articles and quantity words, okay? Articles and quantity words. Articles right here, we have a, we have an, and we have the or the, okay? A, an, or the. The, and a. 3, okay? If we go to quantity words, we are going to have some, we are going to have any, okay? And we are going to express a and an also, okay? Some, any. Remember some from yesterday?
Yes.
Okay. If I say 5, is some, or if I say 500, which one is some?
5.
5, right? This is many cars, some cars, like that, okay? So look at this. The articles right here, the articles a, an, or that, we are going to use it like this. You have the article, and then you have the noun, okay? These two right here are going to be the subject for a sentence. Subject, verb, and then complement, okay? So in here, in the subject, we are including one more element. We have the noun. Remember the noun?
Yes.
Yes. But today we are going to include an article. And these two elements, the article and the noun, are going to be equal to the subject, okay? It's clear? So,
Okay.
for example, a, an, or that is when we say the car, right, is new. Very simple sentence. The car is new. Now, if we put a car, for example, is new, this one is correct too, but a is going to be representing only one object, always, okay? we have a specific rule. We have a specific rule for a and. For example, a or an. And then we have here the noun, right? If this letter, the principal letter of the noun, it's a consonant, you are going to use a. For example, a car, a table. This is very easy, okay? But when we use, I'm going to erase this, when the noun begins with a vowel, but vowel sound, okay? Vowel sound, not necessarily the letter, but the sound. For example, university, this is a consonant or a vowel?
A vowel.
A vowel, right? A vowel. So depending on this rule, it should be an university. But look at the university. Look at the sound of the U. The sound of the U is not a vowel, it's U, like this one. Okay? The sound is university. So because the sound is with Y, not with the vowel, we are going to put a university. So in this case, we have a vowel and we have a vowel. And it's correct. And it's correct. But, because the sound of this is not a U, it's a U. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So, it's only for this situation, okay? The article, it's only like a word before the noun to express that, okay? And the other side, the quantity words, we have some, any, and a, and an. Obviously, a and are going to represent how many?
One.
Quantity, only one, all right? Some is going to represent
More what?
more than one, but not many, okay? Another quantity word can be many, right? But in this class, we are not going to focus on many. We are going to focus on some, any, a, and, all right? Many words, a lot, right? It's another option of quantity. But any, this one right here, it's for what? For positive, for questions, or for negatives? What do you remember from yesterday? Any is for what?
For question.
Any is going to be for questions and negatives. And plurals, right? Obviously. Questions and negatives. We are going to include another element in here, which is the negative, okay? So, let's see, what else needs to be explained? Okay, look at this. What is the difference? Can I erase this?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yep. Okay, so what is the difference between a, an, or that? A, an, or that, sorry, that. This one, it's when you mention a noun or a object, whatever, for the first time. Okay? This one, it's more general. And this one is specific. Okay, for example, look at this example. A big car is in front of my house. Okay? It's general. You don't know exactly what car is it, okay? But if you say, a big car is in front of my house, and you continue talking about the same subject, you continue talking about the car, right? You can use the car is red, for example. So this one, it's changing this one, right? Because this is the second time, it's time number 2 that you speak about the same subject. I don't know if it's clear. Okay? For example, look at this. I am going to the house. If I tell you that I am going to the house, what house am I talking about? Are you clear on what house or no clear?
No clear.
It's not clear. I am going to the house. Okay, but what house, right? So you need to specify in here, for example, I am going to the new house. I am going to the new house. So in here, it's possible to use the because you are being specific for the house, okay? That house. And when you use a, it's not a specific, it's only a house, okay? That house is more specific. A house, it's a house in general. But for this, let's make some examples, okay? Look, it's very common. I'm going to make a space in Spanish in here because this is very important. Es muy común que usemos el a y el and para expresar algo general. Por ejemplo, me voy a comprar una casa. ¿Sí? Me voy a comprar una casa. ¿Cuál casa? La que sea, una casa en general. Is that clear? Yes. Una casa.
Yes.
Pero si digo, me voy a comprar la casa, es porque ya sabemos de qué casa estamos hablando. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Entonces, el da va a ser específicamente para algo que tú ya sabes de lo cual estás hablando. ¿Sí? Y el a o el and es simplemente para mencionar algo que es en general. Me voy a subir a un carro, por ejemplo. Me voy a subir a un carro. I'm going to get into a car. Un carro, el que sea, pero me voy a subir a un carro. Y si les digo, me voy a subir al carro, a the car, quiere decir que la otra persona que te esté escuchando, ¿sí? Ya sabe de lo cual tú estás hablando o sabe de qué carro estás hablando. ¿Me expliqué mejor?
Uh-huh.
Muy bien. Entonces, a and, general. I don't know what, but it's in general. And that is for a specific. The other person understands what I am talking about. Okie dokie. Very
Yes.
good. So let's go to the notes. Notes. I'm going to ask Dulce, please, for notes number 1. Your microphone, Dulce.
Turn on.
Sorry.
Turn on your microphone.
We introduce a singular noun with an indefinite article, a or an. When we refer to this noun again, we use the definitive article, the.
That. Okay. So again, a and is for no specific. And that is for a specific. Number 2, Saul, please.
Number 2. We use the before a singular noun if this noun is the only one, or if the speaker and listeners share
An experience.
an experience and are referring to the somethings. To the something.
Very good. Este punto es el que les decía, cuando la otra persona ya tiene la experiencia de lo que tú le estás hablando. El da. Okay? Number 3, Oscar, please.
We introduce a plural noun with some, any, or article when we refer to this noun again. We use the definite article, the.
Da. Okay, so when you refer to it again, when you repeat. And number 4, the Camila, please.
We use the before a plural noun if the speaker and the listener the same experience.
Very good. Okay, look at this. Talking about the pronunciation, right? Talking about the pronunciation of this. This one right here, me, for example, as a teacher, I always say For example, a table, right? But other teachers or other person say a table. Sorry, only one. A table or a table. Both are correct. It's your decision. It's more like a style. You know, it's my style to say for example. I want a table. Or you can say I want a table. It's the matter of style only. So this one, it's always an, okay? And only one option. And in this one, you can say like the table. It's an option too. The table is right there. Or you can say the. My style is this one. That table is good. Okay?
Okay.
Yes?
Yes.
So, or a house is the same situation. The house or that house is your option. Okie dokie. Exercise 1, circle the correct article. Example, do you have a or that pencil? Do you have a pencil? In this case, right? Let's go with number 1. Camila, please.
There are some dishes on a kitchen.
Okay.
On the kitchen.
On the kitchen. Very good. There are some dishes because any is for questions only and negatives, okay? Questions and negatives, okay? And the kitchen because it's a specific kitchen, right? In this case. Number 2, dulce, please.
Any green cup is my mother cup.
Any. It's not a question or negative, Dulce. It's a positive
wait.
sentence.
The green cup is a mother cup.
Okay, so the green cup, it's my mother's cup. Okay?
Thank you.
That one, right? The green cup. Okay. Mariana, please.
Do you want milk?
Do you want a milk or do you want some milk?
Some.
Okay. A milk. Sorry. A milk is possible.
It's possible.
This is
yes.
possible. It's possible if you say a glass
Okay.
of milk, right? But if it's only milk in like that, some. This is a future class, okay? So don't stress
Okay. So,
because. Or do you want a carton of milk? In that case, it will be good too. But in this case, it's some, okay? It's okay. I mean, we have a future class for this, so then don't get stressed. Saul, number 4.
is there any sugar on the container?
Yeah, it's a question.
No.
So it's a question.
Is there is a singular and is for plural.
Is there any sugar in the container? You are right. Is there any sugar?
Or
There.
are there?
Mm,
No. The sentence is incorrect.
is there any? No. That this is the problem that we need to mix two classes, right? The other class is, for example, in yesterday's class we said, is there
Singular.
a I don't know, a sugar packet, right? Is there a sugar packet on the table? On the table, for example, right? Sugar packet is one, right? Because it's one packet. Yes?
Yes.
But when we have, I'm gonna put it right here, nouns that we can not count. This is a future class, guys, okay? Nouns that we cannot count. For example, water, you cannot count. The liquids. Milk, you cannot count. Sugar, you cannot count. Coffee, you cannot count. So in that case, it's possible to say any. If the noun, it's impossible to count. For example, look at this. Cars, can you count cars?
No.
Count, can you count?
Count
1,
is
2,
container.
what? No, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's count.
Okay.
Yeah?
Mhm.
So it's possible to count the cars or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes.
1 car, 20
Two
cars
cars.
is possible. It's possible to count milk in general, the liquid, not the container. Okay. 1 milk, it's impossible. 2 milks is impossible. It's possible to say 1 glass of milk. Yeah. But it's impossible to say 2 waters. It's impossible. You can say 2 glasses of water because you can count glasses. All right. That's why this class is confusing, because you need to mix 2 classes. This class that I am explaining, that count and not countable, and that counts with the sugar, the quantity in this case. So in this case, Oscar, it's possible any, because sugar, it's impossible to count. Does that make sense? Okay. Let's go with 5.
Entonces, ¿está incorrecto o está bien?
It's correct. Any is correct because it's a question. Because it's a question and it's a noun that you cannot count. Okay. All right. Let's go with 5. Oscar, please.
A ver. I want a new computer and some gadgets.
Okay, very good. I want a new computer and some gadgets. Very good. Dulce. Mariana, I'm sorry, Mariana.
There are some bananas in the fridge and a big dish with Nutella.
Excellent. Ah,
Ah,
very good. Dulce.
We have a house with 4 rooms and some kitchen.
It's correct. Some kitchen.
No.
And a kitchen. We have
kitchen.
very good. We have a house with 4 rooms and a kitchen. Okay.
Thank you.
A kitchen is representing how many kitchens?
1.
Only 1, right? Camila, please. Look at the question.
Are there some coins in your pocket?
Question.
Yes.
It's a question.
Are there any coins in
If
your
it's
pocket?
positive, if it's a positive sentence, like there are some coins in my pocket, it's correct. But if it's a question, any.
Are there any coins in your pocket? I need a change.
Okay. Now, change is singular or plural? Sorry, Camila.
singular.
It's one change or some change. When you go to the store, you receive one change or some change. Cambio, feria, change. So you say, I recibí un cambio o recibí algo de cambio.
Algo.
It's plural.
It's plural in this case. It's again, change is for a future class, okay? So take it easy, don't stress. Because change is impossible to count. Number 9, that some new car has some new stereo. Saul, help me, please.
The new car has a new stereo.
Very good. Da and a. The new car has a new stereo. Very good. Let's see. Camila, please. Number 10.
Is there a problem with the TV?
Very good. Is there a problem with the TV? No, there is no problem with the TV. Oscar, 11.
Oh, complicated. They are situation. What is situation?
Situations is similar to problems.
Ah, okay. Some. There are some situations at home.
There are some situations, plural.
Situations at home.
Very good. Okay. Mariana, please.
I want the new phone.
I want the new iPhone.
Yes.
Yes.
Me.
iPhone 12 or 11, I don't know. Okie dokie. Dulce, help me with the instructions, please, for exercise 2.
Complete the sentence using the a and some or any.
Okay. So we have different options. Da, a, and some and any, depending on the situation, right?
Right.
Example, Dulce.
Let's eat a sandwich.
Let's eat a sandwich. Very good. Okay. So I'm going to give you 5 minutes. 5 to finish on your own.
I'm finished.
Me too.
Finished.
Your microphone, teacher.
Turn on.
Turn on your microphone. Thank you. Ready, Saul and Mariana too?
Ah, ya, cha, cha, cha.
What happened with Yvette? She said something on the WhatsApp group?
No.
No? We need more people. We need more people in the class.
Yes.
It's so.
So, bye.
Okay, let's go. Let's see, Camila, number 1, please.
What is the most important day of your life?
Very good. The most important, because it's
What is?
only one. For me, oh my gosh. I
My
don't know.
birthday.
My birthday, probably. For you, Oscar, when you married? No?
Yes.
Oh, God. All right, Dulce, number 2.
Tomorrow I have some important meetings.
Important. How many important? How many meetings?
One.
Only one. So, and then you have E, you have E. And, very good. An important. An important meeting. Only one. And and. Okay? Very good.
Okay, one, okay, two, okay.
Oscar, number 3.
No! This no. Okay. Is there a use for me?
It's possible. Yeah,
Oh,
it's
Annie.
possible. It's possible.
For rule,
Is there
you
any
say?
juice? It's possible. And it's
I don't
possible
know.
to say some too.
Yes.
It's a disaster. This rule is a disaster. Okay? It's impossible to say an only.
Okay. Yes.
Right? Okay. Let's go with Mariana, please. Number 4.
Are there any toys in the
Excellent.
box?
Very good. Are there any? Very good. Saul, please.
They are the dogs barking. Excuse that. They are some dogs barking outside.
Very good.
Yes
There
or
are
no?
some dogs.
Is correct barking outside? Is correct.
Barking. No, it's incorrect. Eliminate the a. It's my mistake. Barking outside only.
Correct or incorrect?
It's correct. I mean, there are some dogs. Okay. And let's see. Oscar again.
Okay. In front of my house, there is a university.
In this case, because a U, right? Very good.
Yes.
Camila, please.
I really want ice cream.
It's possible. No. No, An ice cream.
Oh,
An ice cream. Okay. Very good. And it's possible to say, I really want some ice cream too. A little bit of ice cream, right? Saul, next one.
Do you want any cup of coffee? Invite.
I invite. Do you want
What? What?
one? Do you want a cup of coffee?
So
It's possible too. Did you get it right, Oscar?
Okay.
So
It's
sorry,
easy, Saul.
sorry for the rules, okay? Dulce, please.
In front of my house, there is the university.
What?
Nope.
We're in number 9, Dulce.
It's your material.
We want to order a coffee to go.
Okay, it's possible. It's possible. Another possible option.
Some.
some.
It can be that. We want to order the coffee to go. It can be some. We want to order some coffee to go, depending on the situation.
Okay.
Dulce, what's going on? Are you okay?
Yes.
Are you distracted?
No.
Okay. And let's finish
You
it.
remember, only yesterday.
What happened yesterday?
On fire. Only yesterday.
Was on fire yesterday. Oh, yeah, I remember. Mariana, finish, please.
There is a big tree in the school.
Very good. There is a big tree in the school. Excellent. Okay, and to finish this, exercise 3, it's similar to the presentation. Remember, make a list of things you will take to a 30 days road trip. Do you know what is a road trip?
No.
It's to travel. Do you know what travel is?
Yes.
Okay, travel on the road by car. Maybe from Hermosillo to Guadalajara in car. It's a road trip. Okay?
One day.
So, maybe one day and maybe 2 days, I don't know. So, make a list of things that you will take to a 30 days road trip. 30 days.
Okay.
Okay?
Oh.
It's my dream. 30 days of road trip.
Much gas.
A lot of gas, yes. Okay, so give me the list. You can use you can use some, you can use the. Okay? Especially some in this case, right? And So?
And money.
Some money, right? Some or many money. Much money. Much money. It's important. What else? Some money. Some money.
Bottle water.
Okay. So if you talk about bottles of water, what is that quantifier?
10.
Okay.
Some.
Okay. Let's use only a and some, many, or much. Okay. Look at this. Many is for a lot, possible to count. Many cars. Okay? Much is for a lot, impossible to count. Much money, for example.
Okay.
No.
Very good. So
Okay.
in this case, we are going to use some or many. It's possible too. Some bottles of water or many bottles of water. It will be your decision. More. Give me more.
Clothes.
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 Clothes. What's the quantifier?
Some.
Many.
Okay, it's possible many or it's possible some, depending on the situation. More, give me more.
Much food.
Much food, yes, much food. Me too. Very good.
Cell phone.
Cell phone?
Yes.
A cell phone.
What
A cell
quantifier? Ah, cell phone, very good. A cell phone. A cell phone. What else?
Most important, a car.
A car, obviously. A car, obviously, right? 7 or more, give me more.
One backpack.
One backpack, no numbers.
Oh.
Give me a quantifier.
A backpack.
A backpack.
Ah, very good. A backpack. Number, what is it? 7?
7.
A backpack. What else?
Sunglasses.
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 Sunglasses. Sunglasses. So here's number
8.
8.
A
I'm going
camera.
to
Camera.
number 9, very good. A camera. What else?
A swimsuit.
A swim suit. Swimsuit. Ah, only one. 11.
Some skills.
Some what? Skirts?
Skills. Skills.
How do you spell it? Like
Candies?
the candies. Ah,
Yes.
okay. Some Skittles. I think it's double T. Skittles. I don't remember. Skittles. And to finish, what else?
Some books.
Tennis.
Saul?
Tennis. A tennis.
Tennis.
Shoes.
A pair
A shoes. A pair.
of tennis.
Un par de tenis.
A pair. Or you can say some tennis, right? Another option. Some tennis. It's good?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
A shoe.
So this is a class. This is like an introduction for the class of quantifier, okay? In the future, we are going to be more specific on the quantifiers, okay? But it's important to know today, a, an, the, some, okay? Very good. Okie dokie. We have go to Is dictation number 2, maybe? Or dictation number 1? 2, right?
2.
2. Okay. Let's do a dictation very fast so we can advance. Mm. One second.
Son taquitos de frijoles.
Ooh. I would say many taquitos of frijoles. Okay, ready?
Yes.
Let's do it. The title is Exotic Animals. Exotic Animals.
A dog. Number
Huh?
1. A dog.
Me.
No, the dog is not exotic. Maybe your dog. So your dog is exotic. Okay. Do you like exotic animals? Do you like exotic animals? It's a question, right? What is it? 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 What is it like? What is it like to share? I'm going to spell share. S-H-A-R-E. What is it like to share your breakfast?
Repeat.
What is it like to share your breakfast with an elephant? It's a question. What is it like to share your breakfast with an elephant? Period and new paragraph. This is a normal day. This is a normal day for the staff. For the staff. Staff double F. This is a normal day for the staff at the Elephant Nature, spells N-A-T-U-R-E. One more time. This is a normal day for the staff, double F, at the Elephant Nature, N-A-T-U-R-E, Park. The Elephant Nature Park. In in the mountains. In the mountains. How do you spell mountains?
Mountains.
A-I-N-S. Yeah, very good. In the mountains of Thailand. Thailand. Okay. Period and new paragraph. The Elephant Nature Park. The Elephant Nature Park is on a very large state. The Elephant Nature Park is on a very large state, comma. So all the elephants are free to walk around and play with other elephants. Are free to walk around and play with other elephants, comma. They can eat and swim. They can eat and swim in the rivers. Period and continue. Every single elephant has, how do you spell has?
H-A-S-T.
No T, has. The verb have. Every single elephant has a different name. Every single elephant has a different name. Different double what?
Yes.
Different double what? F. Double F. A different name and personality. Period and continue. The Elephant Nature Park. The Elephant Nature Park is a conservation project. The Elephant nature park is a conservation project. Project finishes with what letter?
Sí.
Project.
E.
C-T. Project. Yes, Oscar. Okay. Period and continue. There are only there are only 4,000 elephants in Thailand.
Excuse me. I'm sorry. Repeat, please. There are only.
There are only 4,000
Okay.
elephants in Thailand. In Thailand. Okay. Muy bien. Muy bien, muy bien. Van muy bien. Van muy bien. Ok. El día de hoy estuvieron muy bien.
Chale,
La
cuando,
tarea estuvo bien. Mande.
cuando lo vea Ana y Beth.
Ellos la regaban, yo creo. Mi oyera y venta. Y
Rayner,
Ana, mi oyera Ana. Dime.
ahorita que estaba haciendo dictation,
Ujú.
recuerdo que habías pedido que te enviáramos el otro, ¿verdad? También.
Sí me lo enviaron. ¿Tú no me lo enviaste?
No sé. No sé si eso también lo
¿Sabes
está
enseñar
apuntando ahí.
los
No
errores?
me acuerdo.
No, en esta ocasión no voy a enseñar los errores, me los van a enviar.
Ah, ok.
Bueno, déjenme anoto nada más eso. A ver, ahora Oscar is here. Oscar, Mariana, Saúl, Camila, en Dulce. Y la tarea, pues no tarea, pues nada más enviarme. Ok. Send it's dictation number what?
Number 2.
Number 2.
Two.
Okay, dictation number 2. Esa me la envían nada más. Yo la voy a revisar. Mañana les paso para que ustedes hagan sus anotaciones. ¿Sale?
Okay.
Algo más les iba a decir. Ah, ok. Nada, pues que hoy me sorprendieron, ¿eh? En realidad, lo tengo que decir. No se vayan a desmotivar. Van muy bien.
Gracias.
Hay un momento donde tienen que... hay un momento donde se hace monótono todo. ¿Me explico? Dice, qué flojera la clase de inglés. Lamentablemente pues, es así. Es muy rutinario, si se fijan, aprender inglés porque es la gramática, la lectura, el vocabulario. ¿Me explico? Y así es darle hasta que ya no se les olvide. Les quiero pedir que vayan, que a la semana, por ejemplo, se sienten una vez y denle al vocabulario. Bueno, yo sé que la gramática a lo mejor se les va pegando un poquito más que el vocabulario, porque aquí la gramática pues es un tema, ¿no? O 2 temas, 3 temas en la semana a lo mejor. Pero el vocabulario pues es mucho. Tenemos que aprender 3,000 palabras en el proceso de este año para que ustedes tengan un buen banco de vocabulario. ¿Ok? Entonces el objetivo aquí es de que lo estemos practicando y que no se les olvide eso que llevamos, pues. ¿Sí?
Sí.
Muy bien. Pero felicidades hoy. Sigan así, por favor. Me da mucha alegría. Y es parte de esto, ¿eh? Se van a ir saliendo. se van a ir saliendo, unos van a entrar, otros se van a quedar, y los que se queden son los que van a
¿Alguien más se
hablar
salió?
bien. No, Ana, pues la cuestión de,
Ah, ok.
bueno, Joel, lamentablemente yo decidí que no estoy en la clase. Ana anda trabajando mucho. E Ivette, no sé qué pasó hoy, pero
No.
a lo que voy es de que eventualmente así van perdiendo el interés, pues. Entonces es cuestión de ustedes. A ver qué,
Ok.
para que sigan. Sale, guys.
Okay.
See
2
you,
minutos
see you.
quedan 2 minutos.
Dime,
Tengo una pregunta.
dime.
Es que no me quedó muy claro con lo del, por ejemplo, la frase esa, perdón. Is there any sugar on the container? Es que, no sé,
Ah,
me
ok.
quedó claro.
Puede contar cuánto azúcar hay, que no, es un
Sí,
contenedor,
sí,
algo así quiso decir.
Ajá, sí. Pero, sí estás correcto, Saúl.
pero, ¿por qué usa el is there?
Ah, sí,
sé.
¿por qué?
O si no, aplica
Porque
más a futuro, ¿no?
sí es una clase a futuro esta, que se llaman, en realidad se llaman contenedores, la clase. Que vamos a trabajar con los quantifiers. Ahora fue como una introducción de los artículos y los quantifiers. Pero hay una clase específica para los quantifiers, que son los contenedores. Y hay una división de los nouns que se llaman contables y no contables. ¿Okay? Los contables son muy fáciles porque son cosas que puedes contar. Aquí lo difícil es identificar cuáles no se pueden contar. Porque, por ejemplo, el dinero, sabemos que lo podemos contar, pero no podemos contar la palabra dinero, sino podemos contar las monedas y los billetes.
Ujú.
¿Sí me explico? Entonces, hay unas palabras ahí como que nos pueden confundir, como el azúcar, por ejemplo. Lo puedes contar, pero lo puedes contar en kilos o en gramos, pero no en sí la palabra azúcar. ¿Ok? Entonces, no, ahorita no te mortifiques mucho de eso, porque viene una clase a futuro con los containers.
Ok,
Muy bien.
perfect.
Pero mira, para que te quede claro ahorita, Joel, te iba a decir, perdón, estoy traumado. Oscar, esa cámbiala por some, para que no te no
Haga
te quiebres
ruido.
la cabeza. Ajá. Cuando sea is there y luego sea algo que no puedes contar, como en este caso azúcar, pon some, que también va a estar correcto.
Okay. A este nivel que vamos, pues.
Ajá, sí. Muy bien.
Perfecto.
Bueno, I love you guys. See you tomorrow. Thank you very much.
Yes.
Thank you.
Bye bye. Thank you.
Bye.